All you need to know about Apple iPad Air 6. Apple recently unveiled its 6th generation, the iconic iPad Air, at its highly anticipated Let Loose event 2024. Since the release of the iPad Air 2022, the previous generation, in March 2022, tech enthusiasts had to wait for a long time as Apple didn't launch any new tablets since 2022. Apple is offering iPad Air 6, which is released with the upgraded M2 chip in two sizes, the 10.9-inch model and the 12.9-inch model. While the iPad Air received a camera refresh, reports suggest that no changes to the camera system on the base model iPad in 2024. This means users will likely stick with the existing 8-megapixel camera and 12-megapixel front-facing camera for photos and video calls. The iPad Air 6 has all the connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, with cellular models adding blazing fast 5G. It also has a USB Type-C port charging and data transfer, while Touch ID on the power button provides secure login. The recently launched iPad Air 2024 will go on sale in international regions, including India, on May 15, and will be available in 4 color options, including blue, purple, space gray, and starlight. However, the iPad Air 6 starting price is 59,999 Indian rupees for 128 GB with Wi-Fi connectivity and 74,900 to 94,900 Indian rupees for 256 GB with Wi-Fi plus cellular variant.